If you have a keychain attached, you don't have to take it off. You start by pressing this button and releasing the physical key and taking it out and setting it down. That could be with your keychain and everything. Now you will need a small flathead screwdriver similar to this to do the next step. Now I'm going to skip ahead a little bit just to show you what you're looking for. Right here, you see this little piece right here, this little catch. That little catch will be inside this little hole right here. So as I press this down, it's going to be right in there, and that's what you're going to look for. So that is what you're going to take your little screwdriver and look for, and then you have to reach in and lift up on it to release like this, like that. So once you find that little catch, now that you know what it looks like, you'll be able to find it and press up on it like so. And it releases this little cover. Now we can take this off, set that little cover down, and then we have the battery here. Now you notice it has these, it's a CR2032, and you notice it has these little springs on this side, and then it has these little catches on that side. So basically what you want to do is just kind of push down on those springs this way, and then release the battery. So you can see these little catches. You just push it down just past those little catches, and then you can pull out the battery. And you can see there's the inside. Now don't touch the inside there. Then you take your new battery, place it against those springs like so, and then you just kind of push down and snap it in place like so. So as long as those two little catches are over the battery, here and here, and it's all the way down in, then the new battery is installed. Now that the battery is installed, you can take the little cover, and you notice it has a wide side and a narrow side. The narrow side goes in first with the two little catches, and then you push down, just kind of pivot it there, and then you, without pressing the buttons on the other side, just kind of press that in place. Make sure it's all the way down. Some parts might not all the way go down, so you have to kind of press it and make sure it's all the way down, and it's sealed up good. Then you can replace the physical key with your keychain, probably still on it, here, and then you're all finished.